basically, as you can see, I take my water and I let it set for 1 day to take out most of the chemicals that come with out of the faucet water. I also have a R.O. tank, which is reverse osmosis water. If you mess with that, you got to make sure you put your chemicals back, because it actually strips it down to nothing. So my R.O. water's in these type of containers, I know already. And I have the R.O. Coming out of a tap system. I'll show you. You can get this same system from Home Depot or Lowe's. And there it is right there. That's straight R.O. water. You don't have to buy a big, huge $1,000 system. This was like $149. And I installed it myself. Basically, let's see if I get a light here. There we go. Alright, there's the filters. There's the holding tank. And it's all color coded. It tells you what to stick in there. You basically just stick those tubes in there, and the other tubes run up to the faucet. You have one that's getting the water, that cold water, taking it to the green, stick it inside of the filter system, and it goes 1, 2, 3 out through there, and then takes the yellow tubing and goes and puts it into the tank for holding. And I think it's 2-gallon tank. So that's basically that. Real simple. Took me about 15 minutes. When it's ready to change, this light will start blinking like it is, and you basically change the filter. And see, all you do is twist this. It's real simple. Okay, it comes right off. There's the tubes, and you just tighten that back on there. And I get a flathead and pop that off and change the battery, because that's basically why it's doing that, blinking.